Hey everyone, here's a quick one for you. Syracuse Habitat decided to go after work. Not much stuff. So it's a Collins. It says Collins Axe, but it's a Collins cross peen 3-pounder, $5. This will live its life in my pickup truck. I thought these were something else, but they're not. There's no maker's mark or anything on them. They're a flat jaws, needle nose, or I don't know the technical name for this. Someone will probably correct me in the comments, maybe. But I thought for some reason there was stuff there, but now that I get home, there's nothing there. We have this Stanley 69007 USA striking all, or as Magdad says, pokey things. This thing is like brand new. It's been barely used at all. There's a couple marks on it, but it's barely ever been used and never really been struck. So what's next? We got a Craftsman bypass pruners, $2. So I use these things all the time. Yeah, that was $2. That was $1. That was $1. Yeah, $5. Got the speed wrench. It's $2. There you go. Industrial Super USA. And this is in really good shape. It was the only industrial stuff there, so they either got more stuff to put out, or that was all that's left they got was the industrial stuff they had. I don't know. We got a #1 Phillips at, I believe, the WF's Western Forge Craftsman. Tip's not bad. It could get cleaned up a little, but that was $1. We got a little shovel. I'll sharpen up the edge. There's no maker's marks or anything on it. I just picked up, it's small and it'll fit into a backpack. And I will be using this for beach combing or my metal detecting stuff. What's next? We got a channel lock P14H. Screw holding screwdriver. Hold EZ. I know Hold EZ makes them for, they have their own brand or whatever else, so Channel Lock must have bought part of it and then just branded it for themselves. So, and this thing is in really good shape. There's no cleaning up or anything else needed for this. So, that's like a wall hanger right there. And then for the last thing, I got a little hatchet. Plum. It's in really good shape. That was $3. So, and it is sharp. So, just figured I'd just share. I got some totes from the Goodwill too for scrapping. But there's some vintage tools and newer tools. But thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe and comment. Thank you.